Um, my cousin Robbie gave me this knife on the night of Thanksgiving, and he said he didn't like it. It's a cheap piece of shit. It is made in the. It says made in USA somewhere on it. It says Bear MGC USA, and I've oiled it, but the bite handle still kind of sticks. And I've only touched it. Uh, I just started this morning looking on how to use it and how to flip it and stuff. And so this is my first Balisong or butterfly knife. And I'm just wondering if the skills or the flips I've learned just in today, playing with it off and on pretty much all day, is pretty good for a day's worth. And I'll show you kind of the few flips I learned. And as far as I know, this is the horizontal, basic horizontal. I'll show you first. I don't know if I'm doing it quite right, but that latch likes to stick in and gets in the way of closing it. But I'll back up here. And then I also learned the basic vertical. Handles are sticky. I'll show you that another time. And then let's see how is. I think it's like the inside twist maybe. I gotta spit quick. This stuff is the best. But anyway, I flip it out. Oh, fucking handle stick. Oh, fuck. Can never do it on. There we go. And then I just learned how to flip out. Maybe that wasn't the inside twist. Can't remember what this one's called. But just let me close it here. And then you flip it out like that. I don't know how to close it from there, but anyway. And then it's kind of just a no-nonsense quick draw. And the handles are kind of sticky, so it makes it hard sometimes. But the latch draw, or whatever you want to call it, I've been kind of playing with it, hoping it would loosen up, but so far it hasn't. I've flipped it a shit ton today, but I like that one. I'm going to try to get that down pat there. And then I'm screwing up. That's the flips I've learned in just a day.